What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. So a little bit of a different video today. It's been a while since I've been in front of the camera, and actually a few things happened between the last video and this video. I can't remember right now exactly what it was, but I'll definitely think of it. Anyways, so basically in typical fashion, nothing ever works out as planned. The original plan was to get the car ready for the season, getting the full sets of brakes and the whole calipers, rotors, pads, the whole 9 yards on the car and getting the wheels on. But in typical fashion, I procrastinated and realized that my tire ate a screw at the end of the season and was completely flat on the summer wheels. So I have the rear tires on order because I needed new skins anyway. So those are coming in Monday. And actually I'm at my buddy Joe's house. We're gonna be doing the full brakes on my car. I think he's just got pads and rotors on his Mustang. So we'll go check that out right now. So honestly, the goal for today is gonna be getting these wheels nice and cleaned up and do the pads and rotors on this thing. I don't think they've ever been done, honestly. But there's your boy Joey right there. We'll be doing these brakes today with him.
What's going on?
What's going on?
Oh, you're just gonna need a good spray.
Ooh. Have these things ever come off?
No.
Damn, those wheels are bad.
They're caked. I don't think
Dude,
they were ever clean.
You need like, you don't need wheel cleaner.
I need
You
a
need like
Christmas
sand.
miracle.
You need
Yeah.
sandpaper.
I mean,
Oh, I want to clean those. I'd love to clean
please
those.
do.
We'll soak that thing down in wheel cleaner.
All right. I mean, these things might clean up good. We'll see.
I'd love to see what these things look like at the end.
I mean, you would think they'd be cleaner for 30,000 miles, but
I mean, you never know.
dude, yo, I'm gonna need tires.
Oh, dude, how is that not blown
The
out?
tires are ready to like.
Hold on, hold
Wait
on.
a minute. That can't be good.
You can't be driving this thing, dude. What?
No.
Are you? Look at the rod on it.
I don't even know if I can put these back on. I gotta like limp my way to Firestone or wherever.
Oh my god, dude. These are bad.
What are these, like original? What?
This can't be good. They're completely split.
Casualties.
Nice. Poor worm.
That's
We need to
no
like, go,
bueno.
we need to take the van and go get tires.
Like now.
Take these
Yes.
wheels off. Bring the van. Dude, you're like literally.
They're all like that. Dude, I was going like 100 the other day. Yeah.
Oh my god, it's like the Grand Canyon,
Like,
dude.
see it there, dude.
What the heck? I can see my future in that thing. Holy crap. I mean, these don't look.
I've seen worse.
He's still got a little bit of pad life, but.
Oh yeah.
that
No, I know. It was
definitely
the
need to
back
be-
ones that got seized up that one winter. This thing is filthy.
Yeah, last time I did these
What?
the rotors had to be like malleted off.
You already done brakes on these things?
Yeah. Yeah. A couple of years ago at this point now. These are pretty filthy too, but I don't really care about these ones. These are just the winter steelies.
Yeah.
Oh look, no rot.
No big crack.
There's no big Grand Canyon cracks on those things. Yeah, right before I'm about to go throw it on, I'll disconnect the old one and then I'll throw the new caliper on to the line probably. Because the rotor's gonna be probably a treat to get off. Like it was, actually, you know what? No, I did treat it before. It's the last time I did it, so maybe it won't be as bad. This is definitely gonna need some brake cleaner for sure. Damn. Let's soak this thing down. Yeah, I've never seen it set up like that before. It's different. Yeah. Wheels coming out alright though. Some of that's coming off. Some of it's just gonna be corrosion that you really can't get back, but.
What the hell's going on here? Seriously?
I cleaned up pretty good actually. What'd you scrub this with?
Just brake cleaner and some WD.
Oh. Yeah, mine's definitely not like my hub is completely rusted. Well, this thing also sat in the garage, didn't it?
Yeah.
For a long time.
Yeah.
But still, this is a 2016, and this thing, but it's daily, so it's kind of yeah.
Trying my best. Yeah.
Remember the guys the other day? I'm a professional painter.
Yeah.
6 rattle cans.
Yeah.
It's just
All the
dripping.
drips.
It's dripping all the way
Okay,
down.
buddy.
These are gonna look so good. Ugh. Yeah, I know. Trust me. I wish I was putting the bronze wheels back on right now and not putting the black steelies. But here we are. Yeah.
Oh, oh yeah, I thought you said you weren't recording.
I am right now. Though. I put it on.
My
Yeah, okay. So I'm an idiot, and I left my pads at home. So we're gonna have to slap on the power stop pads that were already on it. Luckily they still have half-life, but I just feel like such an idiot right now. But we're gonna run with it because that basically is how things go. They never goes smooth, and it's always something. All right, so this thing's all bled now, so now let's go on to the next one. These are gonna look pretty sick. I'm excited about how these are gonna look with the wheels on too, when I throw them on. What's going on? So it is now actually a week later from the rest of this video. It's been a week. I'll start with that. Essentially, we had to stop filming because we started getting downpoured on. So I have no more footage of any of the brake install happening or the wheel cleaning. For good measure, I did get a clip just to show you guys that the wheel did come out nice for Joe's car, and the brakes went on nice. He just had to stop the install kind of halfway through because he needed a part to finish the back. Unfortunately, I ran into a little bit of an issue installing the second caliper in as well in the middle of getting rained on, and we were trying to bleed it, and it would not stop bleeding after it being closed. Long story short, we ended up determining that it's probably gonna be the caliper. We did get it tightened, which is the funny part, because 2 days later, I ended up leaking brake fluid all inside my wheel well. It was bone dry. It was bone dry on that day. We didn't have anything leaking out, but eventually I guess the threads, you know, it just made its way through. The threads are messed up from the factory, but I have a new one on the way. That's one good thing that happened this week. Unfortunately, 2 days later, my car did get hit. Unfortunately, luckily it's not a lot of damage, but it did get backed into at work. So now the car is gonna be out for even longer. So obviously the whole plan was to get the car ready, but you know, life happens, stuff happens. I know it was an accident. And you know, you gotta look on the bright side of things. So at the end of the day, obviously no one was hurt, and it's all trivial things, but you know, we'll come back, you know, the car will be ready after dealing with the insurance companies, because that's always fun, and the body shop. Hopefully everything comes out well, and we'll have the car back on the road. It's definitely been a week, I'll tell you that. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the video as always, and thank you guys so much for watching to the end if you're still watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.